In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when Google Chrome is not opening on your Android device. So there are a couple of steps to follow here to get Chrome working again. So let's just get straight into it. The first step is to close out all the open apps on your phone. So depending on your phone, you will have I think it's a little square at either the bottom right hand corner or the bottom left hand corner. I have 3 horizontal vertical stripes at the bottom left hand corner of my screen. You can't see it because it's cut off, but if I tap on that, that's going to show all my open apps. All you want to do is just close out all of your apps just like that. And then the next step is you want to go into the settings app of your phone. Once you're in the settings page, go to where it says apps. So I'm going to tap on apps, and then I'm going to find the Chrome app. So just scroll down till you find C, and here's Google Chrome right at the top. If I tap on Chrome, what we need to do is tap on where it says storage. So right here, tap on that. And then the first thing we want to do is we want to clear the cache of the app. So tap on this button right here to clear the browsing cache. And then I'm going to tap on the manage storage button. And then I'm going to clear the data. So where it says clear all data, I'm going to tap on that. Now this is going to clear all the data from the app, but it's not going to delete your accounts and things like that. So that's cool. So just tap on clear all data. It says all Chrome's app data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases, and etc. So it's not going to delete the Google account itself. It's just going to remove it from the Chrome browser, and then you'll have to load it up again when you need to use that account. So once you have cleared all the data, what we're going to do is we're going to go out of the settings app. Then we're going to go to the Google Play Store, and then in the search bar, you just want to search for Chrome. And then if there is an update available for Chrome, you want to make sure that you install that update and download that. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to restart our phone. So depending on your phone, you just hold down the power button, tap on restart, and then that will restart your phone. I'm not going to do it because it will cut off the recording, but those are the steps that you need to follow in order to get Chrome working again. Then you can open up Chrome and it should be working just fine. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.